Getting the first layer right with your 3D prints is the first step to a successful 3D print. It's the foundation upon which all other layers are built upon. There's a fine balance between having just enough adhesion to lock down your print and make sure it doesn't come off while it's printing, but not so much that it becomes impossible to remove once your print is done. GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surfaces find that balance. Using GeckoTek's advanced coating technology, GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surfaces are versatile, working with a variety of 3D printing materials while still being easy to install on any 3D printer. And it doesn't break the bank. Let's break it down. No need to squish down the first layer for extra adhesion. Instead, rely on GeckoTek's advanced coating technology incorporated into every GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surface to improve excellent first layer adhesion and maximize the success of 3D prints while minimizing warping. GeckoTek EZ-Stik Hot Build Surfaces are designed to strongly grip 3D prints while the 3D printer's bed is heated, but allow for easy removal of finished parts when cooled. For 3D printers without a heated bed, GeckoTek Cold EZ-Stik Build Surface is a reliable solution. Consider installing a GeckoTek sheet onto a spring steel sheet and flex it for even easier part removal. GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surfaces are compatible with all of the most commonly used 3D printing filaments. GeckoTek Cold works well with PLA and PLA-based filaments like wood, metal, and carbon fiber-filled PLA, or you can even use it with flexibles like TPE or TPU. 3D printers with heated beds can use GeckoTek Hot for PLA, ABS, PET-based filaments, nylon and nylon-based composites, and flexible filaments, all with excellent build adhesion and minimal warping. GeckoTek Build Surfaces are offered in several select sizes and can be easily cut with ordinary scissors. Keep a supply of EZ-Stik sheets that can be cut down to size to fit on all of your printers, instead of sizes specific to a particular 3D printer. Installation is easy. Simply measure and mark the size of your build plate onto the GeckoTek sheet, cut it to size, wipe the 3D printer's build plate clean with some isopropyl alcohol, and apply the GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surface. If you want to maximize the success of your 3D prints and improve overall bed adhesion, GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surfaces are the solution for you. To learn more and to order your GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surface, go to MatterHackers.com. Hey there, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that tech breakdown on GeckoTek EZ-Stik Build Surfaces. I personally like to use it when I want a glossy bottom finish, maintain bed adhesion, and still be able to remove my parts easily. If you want to read some in-depth articles, you can go to MatterHackers.com, or to stay up to date with all of our digital manufacturing content, be sure to click subscribe. See you in the next one.